Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Ramp Spend Management Platform. Ramp Spend Management Platform is a service designed to help businesses manage their spending. It's aimed at small to medium-sized businesses and larger organizations that need a centralized platform to track and control expenses. Key features include expense tracking, invoice management, and corporate card integration. Their website provides details on their various plans and features. Ramp emphasizes ease of use, real-time expense tracking, and transparent pricing, claiming no hidden fees. They highlight their intuitive interface and integration with various accounting software. Availability is generally worldwide, and you can check their website for specific regional details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Ramp. Getting started was incredibly smooth. The onboarding process was straightforward, and I was able to link my existing bank accounts and credit cards within minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays my current spending, upcoming payments, and outstanding invoices. I particularly appreciated the ability to easily categorize expenses and generate customized reports. I used the platform to track marketing expenses for a recent campaign, and the detailed reports helped me understand exactly where our budget was being allocated. The system performed flawlessly. I experienced no lag or glitches. I had a quick question about integrating with our existing accounting software, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email with a helpful video tutorial. I was really impressed by how quickly I could generate reports and analyze spending trends. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, although the web interface is responsive and works well on mobile devices. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Ramp. It significantly simplified our expense management process, giving us much better control over our finances. While it took me a little while to get used to all the advanced settings, the learning curve was relatively gentle. That's my overview of Ramp Spend Management Platform. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.